Are you looking for a bike that gives amazing mileage, comfortable ride, and low maintenance? Then this bike might be perfect for you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Brand Pru. Today we are taking a closer look at the Bajaj Platina 110. One of the most fuel-efficient and reliable commuter bikes from Bajaj. Motorcycle hash design and looks. The Bajaj Platina 110 comes with simple and clean design, long and comfortable seat, chrome exhaust cover, stylish graphics. It is designed mainly for daily riders and long city use. Gear hash engine and performance. Engine 115.45 cubic centimeters, single cylinder. Power around 8.6 horsepower. Torque 9.81 Newton meters. 5-speed gearbox. The engine is smooth and perfect for city traffic and daily commuting. Fuel pump mileage, big highlight. This is where Platina 110 shines. Mileage 70 to 75 kilometers per liter, approx. One of the best mileage bikes in its category. Stop sign comfort and safety. Long suspension travel. Comfortable upright riding position. CBS braking system. Optional front disc brake. Perfect for rough roads and long daily rides. Money bag price, expected. Expected price, budget-friendly range. Very low maintenance cost. Best choice for office users, students, and delivery riders. Thumbs up sign pros. Heavy check mark excellent mileage. Heavy check mark comfortable ride. Heavy check mark reliable Bajaj engine. Heavy check mark low service cost. Thumbs down sign cons. Heavy multiplication sign not for high-speed lovers. Heavy multiplication sign basic features only. White heavy checkmark final verdict. If you want a fuel-efficient, comfortable, and trustworthy daily use bike, the Bajaj Platina 110 is a smart choice. Loudspeaker outro. Thanks for watching Brand Pru. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.